What is going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing a really cool product by Amazon, which I'm sure you've heard of before. It's the Amazon Echo Dot. The Echo Dot is one of Amazon's cloud-based voice services, which allows you to connect to Alexa to ask different questions to help you with daily needs, like asking her to buy groceries or asking her to play your favorite music, or anything else that you can think of. So this is a smaller version compared to the original Echo. It's a really cool device, especially if you're a university student. It allows you to deck out your apartment or your dorm into a smart dorm. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you some of the features. I'm gonna help you set it up. I'm gonna unbox it, see what kinds of cool features it has, and let's get to it. So let's get started opening up the Dot. Just gonna... Well, when you open up the package, this is what you originally get. It looks like something like a hockey puck. And there's 4 different buttons located on the Echo. You have the action button, which allows you to ask Alexa an assortment of questions, and you have the plus or minus button, which is one of the primary differences from the first generation Echo and the second generation Echo, in the sense that you don't have the knob that allows you to control the volume. And you also have the mute button, which is also helpful when you don't want Alexa to be listening at the time. And there's 7 different microphones allowing you to have far field access to Alexa. So if you're across the room and you say Alexa, it'll allow you to ask any question. So far, not very different from the original Echo in the sense that it's a lot smaller. Then it comes with the micro USB cable allowing you to charge it. So let's set up the Amazon Echo Dot. The first step, take your Echo Dot and plug it into the wall. Just like that.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Oh my god. So for setting up a new device, you're going to have to take your phone and click Set Up a New Device and choose which device that you're setting up. So we're choosing the Echo Dot. So yes, choose your language, hit Continue, connect it to the Wi-Fi that you're on. It says we should be seeing an orange light, which I don't. So, if you don't see the orange light, you press don't see the orange light, and it says press the action button for 5 seconds. So this is the action button, this little dot here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Perfect. So now, hit Continue, and now we're connecting our Echo Dot to the Wi-Fi that we're on so we can ask Alexa the questions that we have. Go to your settings, and hit the Amazon Wi-Fi.
Connected. Go ahead and finish setup in your Alexa app.
Yay! Awesome. Now go to the app, confirms that we've connected, hit Continue, choose which Wi-Fi you're on, connect.
This device is ready.
Now it's saying the setup has been complete. So it's showing you all the different features that you can have. You can play your music, you can ask it questions. Alexa, what's the news today?
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like CNN, Fox, NPR, or Reuters.
Get my news from CNN.
In CNN News.
Good morning, I'm Erica Hill. These are the 5 things to know for your new day on Thursday, August 16th. Number 1, President Trump telling the Wall Street Journal...
Okay, Alexa, stop. Alexa, do you love me?
I don't have human love figured out quite yet, but I've been listening to Barry White nonstop. So far I've learned it's my first, my last, my everything.
You could have just said no. So you've set up the Echo Dot, and now the last step, but optional step, is to connect your Echo to a speaker or a Bluetooth speaker. So that's a really cool part of the Alexa Dot. Since it's really small and it doesn't really carry a lot of sound, you can connect it with a 3.5 millimeter jack or an aux cord or your headphones, and you can connect it. So if you're listening to it, it allows you to turn any device into an Alexa-enabled device. The Echo Dot has around 30,000 skills that you can program into, so you can go to Amazon Blueprints to make your own Alexa commands and ask to do things that you want. It allows you to purchase things from Amazon, so if you have Prime, it's even better because it allows you to order things on the go. You can also ask Alexa to play your favorite music, which it fetches from Amazon Music, Pandora, Spotify, iHeartRadio, SiriusXM, all those different stations. But you can also connect your phone to your Alexa to play your favorite music from whatever streaming service that you use. Alexa, play In My Feelings by Drake.
In My Feelings isn't included with Prime but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
Yeah.
Amazon Music Unlimited lets you play tens of millions of songs on this Echo Dot.
I just want to listen to Drake.
30 days and then you'll be automatically charged $3.99
Alexa,
a month.
Stop. You can ask Alexa to call in on someone, which is using the drop-in feature. So if you're calling your parents from your home, or if you're calling a friend, and if they have an Alexa, you can use the drop-in feature to call and check in how they are. Alexa also uses the ESP system, which means that if you have a suite of Echo Dots and you place it in different parts of your home, and you ask Alexa, the closest Echo Dot or Echo device that's near you will respond to you, and you can ask it questions. So it really is just a personal assistant that's there to make your daily life a little bit easier. I can't wait to turn my dorm into a really cool smart dorm and invite my friends over to ask Alexa all the different kinds of questions that we have and maybe find out what the meaning of life is. Alexa, what's the meaning of life?
The meaning of life depends on the life in question. 42 is a good approximation.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and keep watching my channel for different kinds of product reviews or different kinds of content that I'll be posting. If you like the Alexa, please don't listen to that. You can order it online on Amazon for only $50, and I'll give you guys the link below. Have fun asking Alexa different questions. I'll see you soon.